2026 Honda Accord Hybrid. This sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. It checks off in-demand features which offer more convenience, such as cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, heads-up display, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, moonroof, backup camera. We'll help you find exactly what you're looking for.